Hello everyone, Namaskar, this is Chef Sudipta and I welcome you to my channel Cuisine Lovers. Today I will be preparing a very famous, well-demanded preparation. It's called chicken tikka. Now in chicken tikka preparation, we need to do twice marination, first marination and second marination. In first marination, let me take the chicken. For first marination, I will be using salt, lime juice and ginger garlic paste. What is the reason for doing first marination? The main reason is while we are marinating the chicken for first marination, whatever excess moisture which is present inside the chicken, it will ooze out, it will remove from the chicken, number one. Number two, the acid which is present inside the lime juice, it will break the connective tissues present in the chicken and bring the chicken very soft in texture. So let us start marinating the first marination. So for first marination, I will take some salt, some lime juice and ginger garlic paste. So mix it nicely. Nice. So in this way we do the first marination. Wrap the bowl properly and leave it inside the refrigerator at least for 15 to 20 minutes. I have taken out the chicken from the refrigerator. I will show you what it happens after keeping it inside the refrigerator for 15 minutes. By that time, let me prepare the second marination for you to marinate the chicken. I will take the hung curd, I'll take some coriander powder, some cumin powder, some red chilli powder, Kashmiri red chilli powder, little bit of turmeric powder and some mustard oil. Some salt. Let me mix nicely for this. So I have mixed all these ingredients. You can see how it looks like. I will not prefer to add food color, so I have added Kashmiri red chilli powder, which will provide you enough amount of color in this preparation. So at this I will add some Kasuri methi leaves, fenugreek leaves. It provides nice flavor. Some Chaat Masala. So I just wanted to show you what should be the texture. This should be the texture of your second marination. It should not be very liquid in texture, so that it tightly coat the chicken, and while you are cooking the tikkas, it will remain with the chicken itself. So one more last ingredient need to be added as a binding agent. I will be adding some roasted Bengal gram flour. The function of roasted Bengal gram flour is it acts as a binding agent which tightly holds the marinades with the chicken properly. So this should be the texture of the second marination. So my first marination of the chicken is done. I have removed it from the refrigerator after 15-20 minutes. My second marination is ready. So what I will do now, I will take out the chicken from there and put it in the second marination. So the juices which came out from the chicken, it can be remain in this bowl, and we will be mixing this nicely with the second marination. So thoroughly mix it nicely. So done. Again, after the second marination, wrap it with a clean foil or cover the bowl. Keep it in the refrigerator at least for 15 to 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, I have taken it out from the refrigerator, the final marinated chicken. Now, I will cook it inside the oven. So, let me take a baking dish. I will brush it with some oil. I will now nicely place the chicken in the baking mold. So I have kept the chicken inside the mold and I will place it inside the oven in a preheated oven at a temperature of 180 degrees centigrade, and we will cook it inside the oven for 15 to 20 minutes. And after that, I'll take this mold out, I'll brush it with some butter, and then again we will keep it inside the oven for 5 to 7 minutes. So let this chicken get cooked for 20 minutes. By that time, let me show you two things which I will be serving it along with this chicken. Number one, which is called masala lachcha onion, and number two, the chicken need to be served along with some chutney. Let us start making the green chutney. So for that, I will take some coriander leaves. I will take 2 green chilies and some mint leaves. Only the leaves, I will not take the stem part. And now we will blend it inside the mixer grinder. So I have prepared the mint chutney ready. What I did, after we made the paste, I have added some curd and salt in it, and this is the end result. Next, I will take this lachcha onion. I will add some Kashmiri red chilli powder, some chaat masala, some salt and lime juice. Now let us mix this. So our lachcha onion is also ready. So almost 20 minutes I kept the chicken tikka inside the oven, and I believe it is almost nicely cooked. I'll just take it out from the oven. I'll just brush it with some butter, and again I will keep it inside the oven for maximum 10 minutes. Wow, so good looking. So just brush it with butter. So I have brushed it nicely with the butter. I'll just again keep it inside the oven for maximum 10 minutes. So 10 minutes over. Now is the time for the final presentation of chicken tikka. So let me take it out from the oven. Wow, beautiful color. So I'll just take this inside this pan. So I have kept this chicken tikka inside the pan. What I will do, I will give some tandoori flavor in it. So I have some hot charcoal. So I just place this hot charcoal inside the pan. I'll give some butter in it. Lovely, the smoke has started coming out, and I just covered the pan. So let it like this for 2 minutes, and then we will do the final presentation. So whenever I just remove the pan, you will find the smoke is completely trapped inside the pan. As you can see, lovely smoke it has trapped inside the pan, and the chicken tikka has got complete flavor of tandoor. I will place this chicken tikka. I will serve it with this lachcha onion. So masala lachcha onion here. some pepper, bell pepper, some tomato, 1 green chilli, 1 lime, and it will be served with mint chutney. On the top, I will place 1 minced sprig. So, the delicious chicken tikka is ready for you. Prepare the dish and hope and I believe that you will like this preparation the way I have made it. It is very simple preparation. Only you need to remember that we need to do twice the marination, first marination and second marination. Second very important thing is you need to use hung curd for the marination, second marination, and you should use roasted Bengal gram flour for the binding. And very important thing is you should subscribe, you should like and comment in the comment box. So this is your final chicken tikka with masala lachcha onion and mint chutney. Enjoy the dish. Happy cooking.